What's up, YouTube? So it's been a while since I've made a video, and I've been doing a lot of floating around on RC car stuff and that, and I always see this pop up. I think it's a GoolRC. It's a 45 amp ESC and motor combo. It says it's rated for 2 to 3S, and I've seen a bunch of people say that it pretty much burns out all the time, all the ESC fails and stuff like that. So I figured I would buy it and test it out, see how it goes. I can't remember how much it was because I did order it quite a while ago. It took a while to get it, unfortunately. But we'll just have a look at it, I suppose, see how it goes. Let's open the box, shall we? So as you can see, let's have a look at the motor first. With the most interesting part, because I'm pretty sure this thing's pretty reliable. So it's a 4,370 kV, if the camera focuses. I don't remember if it's waterproof or not, but we'll find out. Yeah, the little, I don't know what that is, little manual or something. And here's the ESC. GoolRC waterproof ESC. It says 2 to 3S LiPo, but it's only a 45 amp. But anyways, guess we'll check it out. It is a Dean's connector. I'm not sure if I've got any. Oh no, I've got a converter. Never mind. Seems alright. Seems like a pretty good build quality. It's really light. If you take that into account, it's pretty light. The motor itself, pretty weight, fairly heavy actually. But anyways, so we're going to put these into a little buggy that I've got. It's dirty because I haven't bothered to clean it, to be fair. It's a 110 HSP buggy, and we're just going to throw them in there and take it out and see how it goes. Hopefully the ESC doesn't catch on fire, because I don't really want to lose my buggy, but there's only one way to find out. So, I don't know, I think you've seen me put in motor a few times before, but basically, literally just sit that in there, 2 screws, one there and one there, on the bottom and top, and probably just going to sit the ESC right here, and wire it up. So I'm going to do that, and I'll come back to you, and we'll see how it does. Okay, so it's all strapped in, ready to go. I mean, the battery's in there pretty dodgy, but it's not going anywhere, that's all that matters. This will be on 2-cell. We'll take it out. I'll go get my temperature gun. I have an infrared temperature gun, and I'm going to monitor the temperatures. And then after that, we'll chuck in a 3-cell battery and see what happens. I might put the shell on. I'm not too sure yet, because I'll have to check the temperatures just to see what happens, but we'll see. Alright, let's just double check it all works before we take it out. Don't really want to walk all the way down the back for it not to work. 2 beeps. Steering. Seems alright to me. The only thing is this pinion gear is, I think it's like a 26 or a 28. It might be a bit big considering it's a 4300 kV motor, but I mean it's about all I've got at the moment, so all I'll have to do is get some baseline temperatures real quick. 35.2, it's probably about that hot in the shed at the moment, just like normal temperature, and the motor is the same. Ooh, yeah, 35, about 35 degrees each. Okay, so I'm out at the little straight part here we got in our property. Just gonna give it a go. It's cogging a fair bit, probably because I got it geared so badly. Seems to be working alright though. Just keep an eye on the temperatures. just about full speed. That's on 2S though. It's going alright so far. I don't think it will handle 3-cell though. I think the ESC will cook. We'll make one more pass and we'll check the temperatures and see how much it's gone up already. Full speed. Alright, let's get this shell off and have a look. Okay, so just took the pins off, obviously. It's a bit hard to do all one-handed. Turn it around. Let's have a look. Motor's only 42. It's gone up like, what, 7-8 degrees since before, I think it was. ESC, same temperature. Not too bad, not too bad. Well, I'm going to keep driving it then and see if it gets any hotter than that, because at the moment it's alright, but it's only like been a couple of minutes. So I'll keep driving it and see what happens. Then we'll put the 3-cell battery in it and try to do a couple longer runs of it close to full throttle. But at the moment it doesn't seem to be heating up much. Tell you what, driving this thing one-handed is pretty hard, not gonna lie. And I got it stuck in the grass. Got a bit of a bigger area to run it longer distances, see how it goes. I don't know if you can see it really. Good, it's bouncy. Oh no, I'm gonna lose it in the grass. Rip. Held it and it still got stuck. Grass is this little buggy's worst enemy. It's damn stuck again. Oh, let's go check the temperatures anyways. God, it's hot out here. Alright, let's have a look. Holy. 65 degrees the motor is. It's pretty warm. CSC, I think 56 is the highest I've seen. 58. I mean, it's getting, it's not that hot. It's getting warm, but it is pretty hot out here, and the motor is geared. Not the best, to be honest. Alright, let's go get the 3S battery and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't catch on fire. Alright, so I let it cool down completely back to what it was before, or roughly that. It's not quite as warm at the moment. And I put the 3S battery in it, so now we're going to give that a go. And then after that we might take it down to the water to make sure it's waterproof, depending on how brave I feel, because it's middle of the summer and the creek's very bushy, so there's probably snakes everywhere. That's pretty dodgy, you know what I mean? Alright, see how it goes. haven't changed the gearing or anything, it's still the same. Figure we may as well keep it under a lot of pressure. No. Oh, well, it's definitely way quicker than it was. Way more responsive. Pretty sure it's just spinning the wheels like consistently, it's just not going full speed. Let's see if I can get it to go full speed. No. Nice little 360. Let's just bash the crap out of it. See if it gets hot. There's the little pony come to watch. Doesn't even seem to be concerned by it at all. Jesus, plenty of power from that 4,300 kW motor. It's just baking the wheels. It's like uncontrollable. Oh, we just lost all power. That's full throttle. Guess now's probably a good time to check temperatures, right? No cuts or anything, let's just take it off, check the temperature. Might have cooked it already. I don't see smoke, so it's not on fire. Let's have a look. Motor's 58 degrees. ESC is also 58. Quite warm. Why did we lose power? It's going again. Okay. And we lost power again. Oh, it's back. ESC might actually be dying. I don't know. What is that? Okay, seems to be working again. Don't really know what that was, but it did lose power there for a second. And did nothing. Now the motor's at 68 degrees. ESC still 55. Interesting. Yeah, the motor's definitely getting warm. ESC's pretty hot as well. Battery's still cold. That's alright then. I'll just leave the top off and keep playing a bit and see how it goes. A lot of people say that these just burn out straight away. I mean, so far mine's not hot or anything. The only thing it did do was lose a bit of power there for a minute, but that could have been my LiPo or anything, because the LiPo's pretty old. I'm bashing on it pretty good too. It's full throttle all the time. And that's it again. Full throttle. What the heck? I don't know. Okay, there's definitely something wrong with it. So as soon as we put it on 3S, instantly starting to get problems. The motor is at 90. Oh no, 88. I don't even know what this temperature gauge is looking out. 100 degrees the motor's at. No, it's not. That's not that hot. No way that's that hot. No, it's about 75 degrees apparently. And the ESC is at about 80, so that's getting pretty hot. Oh yeah, that's getting warm. So I definitely don't think that this ESC can handle 3-cell. It's getting quite warm. But in saying that, I do have a pretty big pinion on that motor, so it's probably not helping. But yeah, I don't know. In my opinion, the 45 amp ESC is just, it's not enough to run 3-cell with a 4300 kV motor. I'd probably be going something bigger. Alright guys, well that's going to do this video. I might go and put it in, take it down to the creek or something another day and test if it's actually waterproof or not, because apparently the motor and ESC are both waterproof, but never tested it, so I would never know. Alright, if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of this combo, because I think that this combo is a bit of a rip-off, and that people probably should avoid buying it, because if you're going to run 3-cell, it's just not enough. I think the motor itself, the motor is really good, because I've seen people running them on 4-cell on different sort of builds, and they're pretty good. So I might actually put it on 4-cell on a different setup and see how it goes as well. But the ESC, the 45 amp ESC, I don't think it's adequate for this setup. Alright guys, see you in the next video.